Welcome back to the next tutorial. Today I'm going to show how to produce the spatial variation map. So first of all, you have to add the data. This data must be in the CSV format. So I have already produced the data here. So in Z field, you can put which one parameter or which things you want to vary it in your location area, and please make sure change the coordinate system of your location area. So this is already here, so I'm going to OK. So these are the location where I sampled of my research work. So now you can do the spatial variation with two process, IDW or Kringen. So but I'm going to show with IDW. You can search here and go with this tool. So input the feature of your CSV data file, and in the Z value put file. Just make sure you edit your environment here in the processing extent as of your location area, study area site. Again in the raster analysis also, mask yeah. So for editing, you can go to the properties. So you'll see the different near source, extent, value, display here, symbology. So for this I will not classified, so I'll go with the stressed file. Here you can see the high and the low value. To visualize more, here if you want to add the contour, so put here in your parameter value, and then you can put your contour interval as of your range. So here I'll go with 3. So here we found the low range of low contour value or low contour lines here. So I'll go with different contour interval. So let's go with with the level feature also if you want to show your contour value here. This way you can present your data with the spatial variation of your research area. So thank you for